Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about the cubital fossa, the boundaries and the content of the cubital fossa. Here the medial boundary, it is bounded medially, laterally by the roof and the floor. The medial boundary is by the this is the lateral border of pronator terrace. This is the medial border which is bounded by the lateral border of the pronator terrace, lateral border which is bounded by the brachioradialis by medial border of the brachioradialis, and the roof of the cubital fossa, it is by the skin and the superficial fascia which containing the medial and lateral cutaneous nerve of the forearm, medial cubital vein which is joined by the cephalic vein and the basilic vein, and deep fascia and the bicipital aponeurosis. And the floor of this cubital fossa, it is upper part, it is by the lower part of the brachialis. This lower part, it is by the supinator muscle. Now, what is the base? Base, it is by the base, it is an imaginary line drawn from the lateral epicondyle to the medial epicondyle. This is the base and this is the apex. This is the apex. Apex is the meeting point of the medial border of the brachioradialis and lateral border of the pronator terrace. In this way, these two muscles gets intersected here, and this point is the apex of the cubital fossa. In this way, we can see the boundaries of the cubital fossa, remembering that its medial border is bounded by the lateral border of the pronator terrace, and the lateral border is bounded by the medial border of the brachioradialis. 2 points. Then the roof, it is made by the skin and superficial fascia which containing the medial and lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm, medial cubital vein and deep fascia and bicipital aponeurosis. Whereas the roof is made by the upper part and lower part. Upper part is by brachialis and lower part is by the supinator muscle. The base is by the imaginary line drawn from the lateral epicondyle to the medial epicondyle, and the apex will be the meeting point of these two muscles. In this way, we can see the boundaries of the cubital fossa. Here we can see the contents. What are the contents? We can remember by the mnemonic MBBS. M is for the median nerve, B for the brachial artery, B for the tendon of the biceps, and S for the superficial branch of the radial nerve. In this way, in this video, we have covered the cubital fossa, in short, cubital fossa with boundaries and the contents.